This AI automation workflow saves me 6 hours every day. Time is the one resource that no one can buy, recover, or expand. For business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs, the struggle to reclaim time is constant. Long days filled with repetitive tasks, constant messaging, and chasing deadlines can leave you exhausted before your strategic work even begins. I experienced this firsthand. Every morning, I opened my inbox to dozens of unread messages. Every day, I repeated the same tasks: scheduling calls, responding to similar questions, sending reminders, and managing leads manually. Hours disappeared, and my energy drained away. It was in this state of frustration that I decided to take a bold step. I would design an AI automation workflow capable of handling the repetitive tasks that were consuming my life. My goal was not simply to save time, it was to reclaim control, improve efficiency, and scale my business without adding stress. What I built ended up saving me 6 hours every single day, and it transformed the way I work entirely. The problem: working harder, not smarter. Before implementing automation, I spent most of my day putting out fires. Every incoming email felt urgent, every lead required attention, and every social media post demanded manual effort. Even small operational tasks, like onboarding clients or sending follow-up emails, were draining. I realized that my business wasn't growing because I was doing more. It was growing despite me. I was the bottleneck, and no amount of working harder would change that. If I wanted sustainable growth, I needed systems that worked even when I wasn't actively managing them. Step 1. Mapping out the workflow. The first step in building an automation workflow is identifying which tasks to automate. After tracking my daily activities, I found that over 60% of my work followed a predictable pattern, including routine emails, scheduling meetings, qualifying leads, posting on social media, and answering common customer questions. Mapping these repetitive tasks is crucial. As automation enhances structured processes, it can't fix disorganized workflows. Step 2. Choosing the right AI tools. Once I knew which tasks to automate, the next challenge was finding tools that could execute them. Since I didn't know how to code, I focused on no-code AI platforms. These tools allowed me to create workflows visually without writing a single line of programming code. I selected the following AI tools. Email Assistant reads incoming messages, categorizes them, drafts responses, and sends automated replies or flags emails for my attention if necessary. Lead Management captures leads from multiple sources, qualifies them based on behavior and intent, and sends personalized follow-ups automatically. Content AI tools transform blog posts into social media clips, generate captions, schedule posts, and report engagement. The key was not to replace human judgment entirely but to allow AI to handle routine tasks, freeing me to focus on strategic decisions. Step 3. Designing a seamless workflow. Designing the workflow required careful planning to ensure each tool worked seamlessly together. My email system, for instance, uses AI to categorize incoming messages, automatically responding to routine inquiries and flagging complex ones for my approval. Lead Management captures prospects, analyzes engagement, sends nurturing messages, and schedules calls for high-intent leads, so client interactions are focused and efficient. Content Automation mirrors this logic, turning blog posts into social media snippets, scheduling them, tracking engagement, and generating analytics, all automatically. Step 4. Testing, learning, and refining. Automation isn't perfect on the first attempt. During the initial testing phase, the AI misclassified some emails, sent a few follow-ups too early, and posted content at odd times. These errors were not failures, they were learning opportunities. I refined the rules, added context for edge cases, and trained the AI to handle unusual scenarios. After a week of fine-tuning, the workflow became incredibly reliable. Tasks that used to consume hours each day were now handled automatically, with minimal oversight required from me. Step 5. Seeing the results. 6 hours saved every day. Once the workflow was fully operational, the results were immediate and undeniable. I tracked my time over the course of a week and discovered that the AI was handling 6 hours of work every day. Emails were answered instantly. Leads were nurtured and qualified automatically. Social media content posts themselves. Customer inquiries were resolved in real time. Tasks that used to require constant attention no longer interrupt my day. The intangible benefits: focus, creativity, and peace of mind. Time saved is valuable, but the intangible benefits were even more profound. I noticed a shift in my mindset. I was no longer constantly stressed or distracted by repetitive tasks. My creativity improved because my mind was freed from mundane operations. The business stopped being dependent on me for routine work. It began to operate independently. This newfound freedom allowed me to experiment, innovate, and focus on long-term growth rather than daily firefighting. Lessons learned about building AI workflows. From building this automation workflow, I learned several important lessons. Automation amplifies systems. It doesn't fix chaos. You must have a clear and structured process first. Start small, scale gradually. Automating everything at once can lead to errors and overwhelm. Begin with the most time-consuming tasks. Refinement is key. AI learns best when rules are clearly defined and tested. Mistakes during the learning phase are opportunities to optimize. Human judgment remains vital. Automation is not about removing humans, it's about letting AI handle repetitive work while humans focus on decisions that matter. Scaling your business without adding headcount. Once my workflow was stable, scaling became effortless. More leads, more emails, more content did not require more hours from me. The AI handled the increase automatically. This is where the real power of automation lies. Instead of hiring additional staff, I could scale my business without adding overhead. Automation provides leverage. My time, energy, and attention became far more valuable. Final thoughts. From overwhelm to freedom. Implementing this AI workflow changed not only my business operations but also my lifestyle. 6 hours saved every day meant more time for strategic thinking, personal growth, and life outside work. Automation is not just a tool, it's a game changer. It allows you to focus on high-value work, scale efficiently, and reduce stress, all while routine tasks are handled automatically. So that's how this AI automation workflow saves me 6 hours every single day, freeing up time, reducing stress, and letting me focus on what really matters. The best part? You can build similar workflows for your business or personal tasks and get the same results. If you want step-by-step guides on creating AI automations, using tools like N8N, or even starting an AI automation agency, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit like if saving time sounds good to you, and comment below, what would you do with 6 extra hours every day? I'll see you in the next video, where we uncover more real AI automations that actually work.